Okay, hello everyone. Today we're doing LeetCode number 13, which is Roman to integer. So it says Roman numerals are represented by 7 different symbols: I, V, X, L, C, D, and M. And we have the symbol and each value. It says, for example, 2 is written as that, in numeral, just 2 ones added together, and and so on. So Roman numerals are usually written largest to smallest from left to right. However, the numeral 4 is not that. It's not 4 i's. Instead, the number 4 is written as IV because the 1 is before the 5, we subtract it, making it 4. So because the 1 is before it, so we subtract the 1. And the same principle applies to the number 9. So we subtract the lowest number I from it. Okay, given a Roman numeral, convert it to an integer. So there's more examples. Okay, so let's go through this here. Let's take some notes and see. Let's give an example. S equals LIV. And then we can do LIV here. And this is 50. This is 1. And this is 5. Yeah. Okay. So we kind of have to go through it. I guess if we think about it, we're going to have to go through each and compare them. So a for loop basically. So if L is less than I, then here we subtract L, or 50 basically. And if L is greater than I, we add 50. Or let's erase this, make it easier. Add 50. And let's do total here. Total equals so far 50. And let's keep going to the next one now. Compare I and V. If I is less than V, we subtract 1. If I is greater than V, then we just add 1. So right here we can see that the V is greater than I, or basically 5 is greater than 1. So we subtract 1. So we'll have 50 minus 1. Now we go to the next one. V is less than, and there's nothing else here, so V basically, I guess, undefined. We subtract 5. If V is greater than undefined, basically we add 5. But here's the thing here. I should have said this earlier. It's going to basically be an else statement. This is basically going to be an else statement here. And an else statement. So if we're comparing V with undefined, it's always going to be false. So this is not going to be true. So we're always going to go to the else statement here, which is we're going to add 5. So give us, it goes 54. There we go. And this is, I should put this here, but yeah, this equals 54. Alright, so now we get to write this out here. Roman numeral. And this is the way I'm gonna format it here. Alright, I might have sped through this just to save a little bit of time here. Or maybe I didn't. We'll see how I end up editing this video. Okay, so now we need a total variable here. We'll start it off with 0, set it, and then the for loop with the length of the symbols. And this is where we have the if statements, or the if statement. And we'll do Roman num s. So the first one, we'll have to compare it with the second one, so it'll be I plus 1 here. And this is basically where we add them, you know, so it's a subtract 50 and then add 50. So we have the total equals total minus Roman numeral s, or Roman numeral num s I. And then we have the else statement here, and it'll just be the total equals total, but we add it instead here. And after that, we just exit it and we return the total. So this should be it. I mean, we can kind of go through this. So we start at 0. So we'll be comparing the first one. We'll have 50 here. It's greater than, or I mean less than 1. That's not true. So then I'll do the else statement. And I'll be total equals 0 plus 50. Okay, then I'll go to the next one. So it'll be 1 here. So it'll be I, it'll be 1. And then it'll be the next one over. So it'll be 5. If this is true, then we're going to subtract. So then we'll have a total equals 50 minus 1. Let's erase this one. And then from there it'll go to the next one. So it'll be 5 undefined, which is not true here. So I'll go to here and we'll have 49 here, because this equals 49 plus 5, which gives us total equals 54. Let's run this. There we go. And submit it. Perfect.